Come and protect him. This is strange.
Say that we don't have the right to open the gate. We have the right to open the gate. Nigerian police, hear the voices of our leaders. People united. People united. Workers united. Labour Party. Workers Party. Labour Party. Labour Party. Labour Party. Comrades. This is the D-Day. We have come to take back our party. Abure is a bloody usurper. He manipulated the system to get himself.
Chairman.
We want him when we have the national convention in power. As far as we are concerned, Abure has ceased to be the chairman of the party since June 2023. So it is time for us to organize an all-inclusive party convention. That is not possible with a charge. And that is why hoping that Abure will follow the path of honor and engage in the proper process of convening a convention. Rather than engage in that proper process of convening a convention, Abure kept moving around, trying to sidetrack all stakeholders. That is not going to happen. That will never happen. Because the Nigerian workers have decided that it is time to take back our party. The same process we went through with Uwanya, with Salam, we are going through again with Abure. It is time to end this. Nigerian workers formed this party with the vision to take over power. Nigerian workers formed this party with the vision to build a party that will work to develop our society, that will work to create jobs, that will work to improve our economy, that will work to improve our country. Now this party has gone to the hand of chiefs like Abure. We are here to retrieve the party fully from his hand. Because this party is the hope of workers. When we are in the Labour Party and you are going to pay 30 million, 40 million to aspire to hold an elected position, how is that party different from the party? How is that party different from the party of the oppressors? Now this party is a party of the workers, and we envision a party where an average worker, a shop steward, a branch secretary, a chairman, in small workplaces can aspire to be councillors, to be local government chairmen, to be assembly members, to be House of Rep members, and we saw the hope of that during the last election. That is the party we want to be. That party cannot be built with people like Abure in charge. So we want an inclusive convention, and we are here to let Abure know the game is over. The game is over. The game is over. Comrade, I have here the leader of the political commission, Comrade Professor Theophilus Ndubuako. They have done series of engagement, hoping that this problem can be solved quietly. But we are dealing with a criminal who doesn't like this process of engagement, who likes to subvert due process. who would like to forward the organization of labor that has been the founding father of this political party. So Professor Lubako will speak to us very briefly. I must thank you and salute your courage, because we are dealing with a criminal element. He has tasted the drug of corruption, and we have to send it to rehabilitation center. That is where it belongs, not in our party anymore. Comrade, I have the secretary of the political commission who have been engaging Abure, thinking that he's a normal human being, thinking that he was going to follow the due process, thinking that he was going to organize a convention in line with the understanding with labor to have an all-inclusive convention. But Abure, knowing that he can never survive an all-inclusive convention, wanted to do a convention in the night. Comrade Chris Oyot is the secretary of the commission, and together with his colleagues, they have done a lot of effort before we reach this stage of taking over our party by ourselves. Comrade Chris. The people unite.
Nigerian workers. How many we have leaders here? How many? We have leaders here. And we are
How many can come this? Cannot be. How many can come this? Workers are winning.